How to add effects in Audiate. First of all, select a clip or section of the audio where you want to apply an effect. You can do this by clicking and dragging over the waveform to highlight the specific part. Next, click on the volume sliders, then click on the plus icon in the effects section. Here you will see all the effects such as noise removal, volume leveler, equalizer, deezer, reverb, and others. To apply an effect, simply click on it and it will be added to your selected audio. You can adjust the intensity or settings of the effect using sliders or input boxes depending on the effect type. If you want to layer multiple effects, you can add more effects one by one. Audiate allows you to reorder the effects by dragging them up or down in the effects list. This order changes how the sound is processed, so experiment with it to get the best result. You can always preview the audio with the effects applied by hitting the play button. If you want to remove an effect, just click on the effect and select Remove Effect. After you are happy with your effects, make sure to save your project or export the audio file. Exporting will create a new audio file with all your applied effects packed in. And that's it, now you know how to add effects in Audiate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.